Are Yeezys back? Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you what I picked up on the most recent Yeezy day. Or maybe not even the last day, so we'll see. So this is what I picked up. They had a lot of releases on the Confirmed app and I managed to pick up quite a lot, as you can see. My account seems to get very lucky. So we'll open them up and see what they are. I've forgotten what quite a lot of them are. It took a few days for all of them to come in, so I just thought I'd do this video. We'll start on the right hand side. Let's start with this pair. So as you can see, a pair of Yeezy 350s. This is the 350 V2 in the Onyx colorway. So this one was actually really easy to get. I think I've got like 3 pairs somewhere here, but it's a full black Yeezy and it's a 350 V2. I think this pair is nice. Like, I've got nothing wrong with it. I've seen it a million times, so have probably all of you, but yeah, you can wear this every single day and the price is going down and down. It probably will go up eventually if they don't release this colorway again, but the Yeezy 350 V2 Onyx, I think it's a clean colorway and I'll be wearing these because I sold my pair quite a long time ago and I like them. Next pair I picked up, well, I'm just going to go through all the Onyxes because I picked up 3 pairs, so here you go. Here is another one. Got this in the exact same size, don't really know why I did that, but Yeezy 350 V2 Onyx. And the next one, I'll just do the Onyx again because you've all seen it. So the third one is 350 V2 Onyx. I had to get out of the box because people don't believe that I picked up 3 pairs. Don't know why, but there you go. There's the third pair. Nice and easy. And now we'll move on to what I would say is more exciting because some of these are not been released before and some of them haven't been seen for a long time. So we'll start on the left side. I was actually really excited to pick up this pair. It's a Yeezy 350 Compact and I like the colorway. So we'll open it up. This is a size UK 9. So I normally go half a size up in Yeezy 350 V2s, but in the Compact I normally stay true to size, which is a UK 9. And I do like this colorway. I do. I really do. Look at that. So it's got a slightly white and grey kind of like upper to it, which is like a prime knit material. They've got the loop, infinity loop laces, so you can't tie or untie them. And then the collar is a black, kind of it's a different segment to the shoe. And I actually do really like these. I wonder what they look like on feet. Let me know down below in the comments if you want it on foot of these. But I do like them. Yeah, clean colorway. And as you all know from my previous videos, this is the comfiest Yeezy on the market. It's by far the comfiest one. Just fits your feet like a sock and it just feels amazing. And in my opinion, it might be the comfiest shoe I've ever worn. I've got the full black pair and I wear them quite a lot, but they just do look a little bit weird from above on feet like this from the upper view. But once you get over that, they're incredibly comfy and a daily wear for me. And I'm pretty happy with this colorway. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this colorway. Right, we'll go this side still. I'm not actually sure what this one is. Got it in a size 10 though. So this is the Foam Runner. I think it's in the sand taupe colour. But as you can see, it's desert vibes kind of colourway. Yeah, these are okay. I normally go up a full size in these, so I got these in a size 10 and they fit comfortably. I prefer the slides, but these are a little bit out there, just a little bit weird and wacky for me. Not sure if I'd ever wear these, but let me know down below in the comments if you would. Did you pick up a pair of these? But there is actually a little bit of resale for these. They are very cheap and we're going for a little bit more. Not sure how hard they were to get, but managed to pick up a pair. Not going to wear them though. Right, we'll just continue on this side. I think this is another pair of Foam Runners. It is, and I'm not really sure what the colorway was, but this is an unreleased one before. But as you can see, it's got like hints of blue towards the toe and then like a grey and brown kind of camel-like on the underside as well. These are alright. Kind of weird colorway. They look absolutely massive. So I got these in a size 10 as well, but these look way bigger than the sand taupe version. I think I prefer this one. I think a little bit more crazy colors to it just makes this shoe a little bit better. I think if it's too bland, it just looks boring, but these are pretty nice. Don't mind these. Still not going to wear them, but quite cool. Right, let's check out this one here. This is another Foam Runner. I don't remember getting 2 pairs. So I got 2 pairs of that colour. I don't remember doing that. Well, here's another one. It's the exact same as the last one, but I don't remember picking that up. That's weird. Maybe they did a double order, or maybe I just made a mistake. Well, there's another pair of Foam Runners. These two are probably the most exciting ones, I guess. But let's start with the slide. So I picked up a slide. And I actually didn't go for the blue one, weirdly enough. Just looked at it, didn't decide not to go for it. Went for the Onyx colorway of the slide as well. This is probably the most simplistic slide you can probably get. Full kind of Onyx black colorway. I would go 2 sizes up for these if you have got a pair or are looking to buy a pair. I got these in a UK 11, I'm wearing 9, and these fit perfectly. Not sure why they've done such small sizing in these. They're incredibly comfy. I've got the yellow pair and I wear them through the house and all the time. They're so comfy, like the sponginess is incredible. Black pair, can't go wrong. Probably will keep these because I'll wear them with everything and I'll wear them around the house. But really like these. And they're quite cheap. So, the last pair, and this is my favourite pickup of the lot. And unfortunately, I did not get this on the confirmed app. I had to pay resell for this pair, which is so annoying because I wanted it. I think I entered on like 5 accounts to try and get this pair and I didn't get it. But here they are, and we all know what these are. These are the 350 V1s in the Pirate Black colorway. Like, come on. How good do the V1s look? That pair is amazing. So I remember back in the day, V1, the hype was insane. I remember like the Turtle Doves and things like that were going for like £2,000. Pirate Blacks were way over 1,000. Moon Rocks and Oxford Tans. I've actually got the Oxford Tans somewhere behind, but the Pirate Blacks, you could wear these every day and still people would look, even if it's a full black shoe, because the Yeezy V1 hype was incredible. And then they brought out so many fake pairs, like it just kind of lost its look, but I still think it's incredible. I think this is an amazing pair, and I'm so glad the price has come down on these. But to wear them or not, I don't know, because I have had a pair before and I wore them all the time and the sole pretty much just snapped. Like it went like that and bent and just snapped completely across here. The durability and quality on these isn't the best if you're going to wear them all the time. You have to wear these on like special occasions, otherwise they just get absolutely ruined. But yeah, I love the V1. I actually think V1 might be one of my favorite Yeezys ever, if not ever. So nice. Yeah, all boost in the sole as well. It's incredibly comfy. Really like the upper, but like I said, they just wear not very well. As in like the material frays, the sole doesn't last very long. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of the new kind of old 350 V1 in the Pirate Black. Did you pick up a pair? I will be doing a comparison between the 2023 version and a fake pair. And let me know down below if you want any more of these pairs, real versus fake. But thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. And let me know down below in the comments what you picked up on Yeezy Day.